Hello friends, today I am going to talk about plants that smell best at night. To watch more facts on various topics, do hit the like, share and subscribe buttons of our channel. Some plants, especially those that produce flowers, smell stronger and sweeter at night. Why do some plants smell stronger at night? Flowering plants depends on birds, insects or the wind to move pollen from one flower to another, while some flowering plants lure pollinators with their colors, others attract them with their scents. Plants that need to be pollinated by night-flying insects and bats smell stronger in the evening when they are ready for pollination and when their pollinators are most active. Angel's trumpet. Botanical name Brugmansia, also known as datura. These plants thrive in sun or shade, requires regular watering. These South American natives bearing trumpet-shaped flowers in white, pink or yellow grown well under eaves and against walls. Its fragrance picks up at night. Casablanca lily. Botanical name Lilium casablanca. The roots of these plants should be kept cool, while tops should be in sun or filtered light. Needs regular watering. The Asian lily should be planted in spring or fall and will bloom in August and September. It looks good when planted in groups of 3 or 5 identical bulbs and is happy in a container. A large white bloom, Casablanca produces a sweet aroma. Evening prime rose. Botanical name Vinothera caspitosa, also known as tufted, fragrant or white evening prime rose. These plants needs partial shade to full sun, needs little to moderate watering. A native to the western United States, this perennial attracts night-flying insects which are drawn to the flower's lovely scent. As the name might imply, evening prime rose opens quickly at dusk or on the overcast days. White to pink blooms are heavy in spring to autumn. Evening prime rose is a drought-tolerant plant that grows in poor soil or rocky areas and likes full sun. Yellow evening prime rose. Botanical name Vinothera biennis. These plants are drought tolerant and grows in dry climate. Another variation of O. caspitosa, yellow O. biennis, attracts moths, hummingbirds, honeybees and bumblebees which pollinate the prime rose. Easy to grow, it can become tall during its second year. When it flowers, sets seeds and dies. Flowering tobacco. Botanical name Nicotiana. Scented species include N. alata grandiflora and N. sylvestris, also known as jasmine tobacco. These plants needs to be in partial shade or full sun. Regular watering is a must. These South American natives are upright growers that can be identified by their large oval leaves, sticky stems and foliage. Tubular flowers open after dark and on cloudy days and are especially fragrant at night. 4 o'clock. Botanical name Mirabilis jalapa, also known as marvel of Peru, beauty of the night. These plants needs full sun and little water. A native to Peru, marvels of Peru seeds were sent to Europe by Spanish explorers in the 1500s. Mounting plants that reach heights of 3 to 4 feet, 4 o'clocks are enjoyed for their variety of colors. Yellow, red, pink, white and variations thereof. Not surprisingly, flowers blossom become more fragrant in the late afternoon. around 4 pm until early morning hours. Gardenias, botanical name Gardenia augusta or G. jasminoides. These plants need partial shade or full sun, and regular or ample water is a must. A native to Japan, China, and Taiwan, this plant is noted for its glossy, bright green leaves and single or double white flowers that are strongly scented. To grow, plant them in a fast draining soil with plenty of organic amendments and give them room for their roots to spread. Heliothrope, botanical name Heliothropium peruvianum, also known as common heliothrope. These plants needs regular watering. A native of Peru, this flower is a summer annual that produces bloom in purples, blues, violets and whites. Most do well in pots and containers and need well-drained soil. Their scent is sweet and delicate. Hellebore, botanical name Helleborus. These plants needs partial or full shade and water varies by species. The flowers of most hellebores are shaped like bells or cups, either facing outwards or drooping. Species that smell good include bear's foot hellebore, bear's clusters of flowers that are light green with purplish red edges that become foul smelling if crushed or bruised. This is also known as stinking hellebore. Jasmine, botanical name Jasminum. These plants needs light shade to full sun, and moderate to regular water is a must. This species are fragrant. Some jasmines have little or no fragrance also. Most are vining shrubs that grow quickly if given good soil and regular sunlight. Flowers are white, yellow and pink. J. Sambac, Arabian jasmine, also known as Grand Duke, produces double flowers that are used for lace in Hawaii and for making perfume. In Asia, this species is used for making jasmine tree. Kahili ginger, botanical name Hedychium gardnerianum. These plants need light shades and ample of water. This tropical beauty is native to Asia, India and the Himalayas. Kahili ginger grows to 8 feet high, which would make a dramatic ascent to a garden that borders a deck. Flowers are yellow with red stamens and produce a rich fragrance, especially during late summer evenings. Believe it or not, this ginger is considered a pest on the big island of Hawaii. Mexican orange, botanical name Choisya ternate, also known as mocha orange. These plants needs full sun in cool climates and moderate water. This Mexican native features clusters of sweet-smelling white flowers that resembles orange blossoms just like orange jasmine. Flowers open in late winter or early springs and bloom continuously for a few months, then intermittently throughout the summer, attractive to bees and makes a good privacy hedge or screen. Moonflower, botanical name Ipomea alba or Calonictium aculeatum. These plants needs full sun and moderate to regular water is a must. Ipomoea or morning glories are native to tropical and subtropical regions. The genus includes several ornamental vines, including the sweet potato, I. alba or moonflower, a fast-growing vine that can provide shade for an arbor, patio roof, gazebo, or trellis. With the right growing conditions, it can reach 20 to 30 feet in just one season. Leaves are heart-shaped and blooms resemble funnels. Flowers are white, appear in the evening, and are visible and extremely fragrant throughout the night. Night blooming jasmine. Botanical name Cestrum nocturnum. These plants need partial shade and regular water. This fast growing shrub, native to the West Indies, can grow up to 12 feet tall and wide. Creamy white blossoms appear in summer, producing a powerful fragrance at night. It prefers full sun for the most beautiful blossoms. Plumeria, botanical name Frangipani pua melia. These plants need partial shade and moderate water. This native to tropical America is grown as a shrub or small tree in warmer climates. Flowers range from white to yellow to pink and variegated. Flowers are sweet scented and bloom spring through fall. Wax flower, botanical name Hoya, also known as wax plant. These plants need partial or full shade, and regular watering is a must. A native to Burma, southern China, and India, this tropical plant gets its name from its waxy leaves and flower clusters. A slow growing woody vine, H. carnosa, does well in hanging baskets, on patios, and porches. Flowers are creamy white with a pink center and produce a lovely fragrance that is stronger at night. These flowers that blossom at night are a beauty of God's creation. Night blooming flowers are an integral part of our nature. A dark night with full moon on the sky, sitting in the garden, gazing at the sky, counting the stars is a mesmerizing moment to feel. Nothing can be more beautiful than watching these beautiful scented and blooming night flowers. Stay safe. See you in another exciting topic. Take care. Bye bye.